Welcome to Visual Communication and Media. Welcome to week 4. We're over the halfway point, starting to get closer to the end. Let me know if you need any help with any assignments or anything. I'd be happy to help you out with that. I'll start grading your assignments, hopefully have them done by Thursday, Friday, as I did last week. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, this week we're going to start Introduction to Technical Responses. We've done the last 2 weeks on perceptual responses. This week we're actually going to focus on technical, which is visuals that are built to help people use technical systems. And that includes like computers, UI, user interfaces, menus, data pads, and so much more that involves a digital or analog aspect that has a screen or has something that you can interface with. That's what we're going to be focusing on and how the visuals work so users can understand them without having to go in depth. And that's what we're going to really take a closer look on as a whole. So this week we're going to look at introduction to those responses. How can we evolve them? How can we go even further with that? And definitely go into another realm of trying to see how users focus on that. So we're going to take a look at a lot of different principles that focus on simplicity, and we're going to see a lot that ties into sensory responses on like color, balance, and lines, and how they play a part with technical systems so people don't get frustrated. Because a lot of times when you use like a website or if you use a computer system or some type of like screen and you don't understand it real fast within like the first 60 seconds or you get lost, people get frustrated and then you can lose viewerships. And that's a big aspect right there, especially if you want to try and build something or create something that people are going to use regularly without having to teach them or build them as a tutorial. And so that's a pretty difficult response, right? So we're going to take a look at that this week. Go into it a little bit more specifically. So we're going to take a look at technical responses that are gathered from features or systems. We're going to understand and help make it easier to navigate and understand like visuals that do that, like drop-down menus or highlighted options, much like the top one right here and the bottom. We're also going to refer back to the 5 design rules and really get into that. And we're going to talk about each one of these design rules. How simple the design is, the proximity behind it, how clear everything is it engaging, is it fun in a lot of different ways, and is it easy to navigate. Some good examples of technical responses, and we'll review this more in lecture, so you'll probably see the slide again. Drop-down menus are really huge. If you want to like, you can see as you click on a space like an Excel sheet or some type of website, and then it drops down to all the options that you can choose. That's a good way of doing that instead of typing it. There's also, for engagement, there's GIFs, image frames that are used for just fun. Also communicating certain responses, like for example, if I posted this to somebody, it would make me look like I want a donut or I'm hungry. Then highlighted options, which help with like navigation, where you're at in a website. You at least know what page you're on and how to go about that. So we're going to talk a lot about that and go from there. And we're also going to focus on a couple points. We're going to focus on Gestalt design principles and how they differ between user experience design and the visuals that are built between that. We're going to talk about aesthetics and their importance, and also visual connectivity and how users can connect with those concepts and really get into the relationships behind them. And so, yeah, it's going to focus a lot, and we'll go from there. But other than that, that's all I got. Just want to give everybody a heads up. I'll have your live lectures graded today. Also, do keep in mind that your initial discussion post is due tomorrow at the end of the day. And also your reply post is on Saturday. Lecture assignment and also written assignment on Sunday as always. And then, of course, lectures tomorrow, Tuesday, 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But other than that, it's a pleasure as always. Hope to see everybody for the lecture, and that's all I got. So hope everybody have a great weekend. Be safe, have fun, enjoy, and see you a little bit on Tuesday. All right, enjoy, everybody. Bye-bye.